In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and then hold this microphone at the bottom right corner. Now hit allow only while in use or at this time only. Hold the same microphone again and this time start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on done. Remember that you have to be close to your phone for it to actually work. Now if you wish to go back to standard keyboard, you need to click on this X at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!